Hello, this is Alan. I'm going to show you how I use the Black Diamond Trader Indicator package. Everything that you should see here will be discussed in the ebook that you've already gone through. The only exception is the Keltner channel, which I've dropped on the chart. This Keltner channel I like to use in place of the moving average envelope or the Bollinger Bands because it takes into account the volatility and the price action of the current market. And the way it does that is it calculates the ATRs to displace both to the upside and downside of the midline. So this Keltner channel is used on the E-mini S&P 5-minute chart. I've got the ATR set at 1.5, both to the up and downside of the midline. I've got a 5-period length on the Keltner channels, and I've displaced it to the right 1 period so that the last bar's price action used to calculate the Keltner channel is moved over to the current price bar. The only other thing is I've used the close data of the price bar to calculate the Keltner channel. So what I'm looking for is where all of these indicators are in total agreement for the highest probability trade. When they're all green, I look for the price to cross below the lower band, and here it does that at 900.25. Now it looks like we have some downside action here, but it's a high probability trade. We expect to see some price variation, and as soon as I see this conflicting signal, I'll set the profit target at the upper band. And it does cross the upper band here at 902, so that would have been a good trade. Not a very long one, but it would have been a good trade. Here we see again everything's lining up, same type of market condition. The indicators are all in agreement. We enter at 903.25. Again, it moves against us, so we set our price target at the point at which it crosses the upper band. Again, it does at 906.25, so another profitable trade. Now you may wonder if these are cherry picked. They're really not. Like I said, the Keltner channel works very well in that it takes into account the volatility in the marketplace. I'm just looking here. Everything's in agreement again. It looks like we've got a bearish market sentiment. The market opens. The price crosses above this upper band at 908.50. So 908.50, we would have stayed in this trade for as long as we can because the trend strength in this case is above 25, showing that the trend is strong. So we would have gotten in at the first bar at 908.50 and gotten out when the support and resistance stops were hit, which is 893.25. So that's a very profitable trade and an excellent example of how you can let trades run when the trend is strong. So that's how we use the Black Diamond Trader Indicator package. If you have any ideas or have other predictive or leading indicators that you like using, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for listening, and good luck in your trading. Goodbye.